to the SolidWorks 2019 Distributed Data Management Live event. If you joined us back in September when we talked about design to manufacture, you'll be a little familiar with the format. We're going to spend some time today speaking with some folks about how SolidWorks is changing the way that you can leverage our software with the new products. Joining me today to discuss this, I have Kurt Lundstedt with the product management team, and I have Mark Barrow with the product introduction team. Thank you both so much for joining us here today.
Yeah, absolutely. Great to be here.
So, Kurt, for those unfamiliar with what product management does at SolidWorks, why don't you introduce yourself and kind of what your role is here?
Yeah, so the product management group at SolidWorks' main focus is to chart the course of our product lines. And that could be either introducing brand new products, of course enhancing our existing ones, and then taking advantage of new technology, mainly around like hardware. So we can take advantage of some of the new innovations that our hardware partners have put out.
So, like I mentioned a moment ago, back in September, we focused a little on design to manufacture. Have we done anything with our data management tools that can kind of leverage that workflow and continue where we picked up?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the, just to mention one, the sheet metal design. That's something that's a common practice with a lot of our SolidWorks customers. And so some of the things that we've done in PDM 2019 really streamline that process of getting that data down to the manufacturing floor.
Well, I'd really like to see this. Mark, can you spend a few minutes and show us what he's talking about?
Yeah, absolutely. So let's start with design. So we'll take a look at an example to begin with. One of the fantastic new enhancements we introduced at SolidWorks 2019 now is